Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cupcakes with baking soda. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees F and line a 12-cup muffin tin with liners, then gather flour, sugar, eggs, oil, salt, and vanilla. Measure 1 teaspoon of baking soda and dissolve it in a little milk before adding to wet ingredients for lift. Mix until just combined to keep cupcakes tender. Share with friends. Start by whisking the flour, sugar, and salt to make an even dry base. In a separate bowl, beat eggs with oil and vanilla, then add a splash of milk to loosen the mix. Dissolve 1 teaspoon of baking soda into the milk before combining to activate it evenly. Gently fold the dry ingredients into the wet mix until just combined to retain air and tenderness in the crumb, then portion into liners. Spoon batter into liners until they are about 2/3 full so cupcakes rise neatly. Bake at 350 degrees F for roughly 16 to 20 minutes and check with a toothpick for doneness. Let cupcakes rest in the tin for 5 minutes, then transfer to a wire rack to cool completely so frosting won't melt. Use a simple buttercream or cream cheese frosting once cool, and enjoy sharing them warm or room temperature.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.